Uttarakhand. I have completed my graduation in BCom from Pandit Lalit Mohan University. I have 1 year teaching experience. Today we discuss the topic cell. What we discuss the topic cell. What is cell? Cell is called the fundamental unit of life. It's called cell. What is fundamental? First we discuss what is fundamental. Fundamental means basic plus important. Okay, a thing which is basic at the same time important for the living organism. Example, if you want to make a tea, what the basic thing you need? Tea leaves. Whatever tea you make, green tea, black tea, the basic thing is tea leaves. Without tea leaves there is no tea. And in the same way, in living organism, without cell there is no living organism. Okay, clear? In this topic we discuss definition. Today we discuss definition, who discovers cell, and third the structure. What we discuss? These three things. First, second and third. Okay. What the definition? Smallest unit of life is called cell. It gives structure and function to the living organism. How? Example. If you want to make a house, the smallest thing you need a brick. Okay. What gives structure and base to the house? Same in living organism. Cell gives structure and base to the living organism, and all the functions occur in the living organism is done through the cell. Example, the process of the respiration in living organism, the process of the photosynthesis in plant, all is occur due to cell. Okay, and now we discuss who discovered this cell. There is an English scientist named Robert Hooke. What is his name? What is name? Robert Hooke. He discovered cell. He absorbed cell in the bark of the cork tree. Under a microscope, he saw a honeycomb-like compartment in the cell. उन्होंने क्या देखा? Honeycomb-like compartment same जो कॉर्क की स्लाइस में देखे, and he coined that term cell. उन्होंने इसका नाम क्या दे दिया? सेल दे दिया. और जब उन्होंने ये डिस्कवरी करी तो ये क्या करी? डेड सेल करी. What he discovered? Dead cell. And there is another scientist named Leeuwenhoek who discovered a living cell. What he discovered? Living cell in the fresh form. At the time Robert Hooke, he discovered dead cell, and Leeuwenhoek discovered living cell. Okay. Now we discuss the structure of the cell and how the cell originally look like. Okay. Let me see from this and एक एक करके हम इसमें सारे cell organelle paste करेंगे. You can see this clearly. The green line you see is called the cell wall. What is called? This is called the cell wall. It gives structure and strength to the cell. Okay. The yellow line, the orange line you see is called the cell membrane. It is called the guard of the cell. Why it is called the guard of cell? Because it allows necessary thing to enter, and जो भी टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस होती है उसको क्या करता है? ये सेल से बाहर कर देता है. ओके. अब the white thing you see is called cytoplasm. What is called cytoplasm? It is a thick jelly-like structure present in the cell. All the cellular reaction take place in the cytoplasm. जो भी cellular reaction होते हैं वो सब किस में होते हैं? साइटोप्लाज्म के इनसाइड होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, वो रेस्पिरेशन, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ओके. These yellow things you see, these yellow floating organelle you see is called ribosome. What is it called? Ribosome. It is the factory of the protein. यहीं पर सारा क्या होता है? प्रोटीन का प्रोडक्शन होता है. ओके, राइबोसोम ही सारा प्रोटीन का प्रोडक्शन करता है फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द सेल. ठीक है, दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, now the first thing you see, this is a nucleus. What is this? This is nucleus. This is called the controller of the cell. What is this? This is called the controller of the cell or head of the cell. Why? Because all the activity done inside the cell is through nucleus. Example, how the cell develop and the growth of the cell all depend on the nucleus, and all the responsibility of the activity is of nucleus. Okay, and the next cell only we discuss is endoplasmic reticulum. What is this? Endoplasmic reticulum. What is it? इसका फंक्शन क्या है? इट हेल्प राइबोसोम इन मेकिंग प्रोटीन and pack these protein and transported to the Golgi apparatus. ये क्या करता है? जो भी राइबोसोम की हेल्प करता है प्रोटीन बनाने में, और फिर इसको ट्रांसपोर्ट कहाँ करता है? अनदर सेल ऑर्गेनेल विच दैट नेम इज Golgi apparatus. Okay, and the next cell organelle is this. What is this? This is called vacuole. This is vacuole. This is called the storehouse of the cell. Why? Because all the necessary things stored in it. Example, water and another necessary thing stored in this organelle. Okay. The next thing we discuss this. This is called mitochondria. This is called the powerhouse of the cell. What is this called? Powerhouse of the cell. What this means? It means जो मतलब ये पावर ऑफ द सेल क्यों कहलाता है? क्योंकि सारी एनर्जी जो भी सेल को चाहिए होती है वो सारी कहाँ से आती है? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया से. इट क्रिएट एटीपी एंड विच गिव एनर्जी टू द होल सेल. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेल ऑर्गेनेल we discuss Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Okay, this is called the port of the cell. ये है port of the cell. Why port? Because endoplasmic reticulum transport protein to this cell and it pack all the protein and modify this protein and ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द ऑल द डैमेज पार्ट ऑफ द सेल. मतलब जो भी डैमेज पार्ट ऑफ द सेल है जहाँ पर प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर क्या करता है? ये ट्रांसपोर्ट कर देता है. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी डिस्कस दिस सेल इज लाइसोसोम. बट दिस इज लाइसोसोम. दिस इज कॉल्ड द digestive organelle of the cell because it digests all the nutrients. Example, it digests carbon dioxide into amino acid and carbon dioxide into glucose and convert protein into amino acid. Okay, the next cell organelle we discuss this chloroplast. What is this? This is chloroplast. This cell organelle is called the kitchen of the cell. What is this called? This is called the kitchen of the cell because all the process of the photosynthesis and the making food is done in this chloroplast. Okay, this is the plant cell. What is this? This is a plant cell. There is some differences in the plant and the animal cell. Okay, this is the diagram. You see it clearly. This is the actual diagram of the plant cell and the animal cell. These organelle is common in both the cell. Okay, example mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic, nucleus and the other thing. ठीक है, and the cell wall is only present in the plant cell. There is no cell wall, and the chloroplast is only present in the plant cell and there is no chloroplast. This is a basic difference. This is a clear diagram of the plant and the animal cell. Okay, and Now to learn and how to keep it in mind for a longer time. अब मैं आपको एक ट्रिक देती हूँ जिससे आपको बहुत समय तक काफ़ी चीज़ें ये याद रहे, क्योंकि ट्रिक है इतने सारे सेल और में याद करने के। ठीक है, लेट्स गिव आई दिस इज अ प्लांट सेल. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एन प्लांट सेल. ठीक है, लो लेट्स ट्रिक. एज अ टीचर मैं आपको क्या सजेशन दूंगी अगर आप इसे पढ़ेंगे नहीं. लर्न दिस वरना गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में नो एंट्री. बट सजेशन आई गिव, लर्न दिस वरना गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में नो एंट्री. लर्न दिस वरना गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में no entry. Okay, let's start. L from L means lysosome. ये आपकी ट्रिक है. ओके, दिस इज अ इजी ट्रिक टू लर्न ऑल दिस सेल और नहीं. L means lysosome. V means vacuoles. G means Golgi body. R means ribosome. C means cytoplasm. And N means nucleus. And E means ER, which means endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is a basic trick to learn all this cell organelle. Okay, learn this वरना गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में नो एंट्री. ओके, ठीक है. लेट्स अब इतना सारा पढ़ा हमने, एक क्विक रिविजन कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, टुडे वी डिस्कस डेफिनेशन. व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन? Fundamental unit of life is called cell. It means a thing which is basic but at the same time important to the cell. It means all the living organism is made up of cell. ठीक है? Who discovered this cell? Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered this. Robert Hooke first discovered the dead cell, and the another scientist came named Leuven Hooke discovered living cell. Okay, and reason अब हम थोड़ा देखेंगे कौन कौन से सेल ऑर्गन हमने पढ़े थे. This first thing you see, this is called nucleus. What is this called? This diagram से हम देखेंगे. This is a nucleus. What is called the controller and head of the cell, because ये सारी एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करता है. Okay, then next we discuss ribosome. These called the factory house of the protein, because it creates protein and produce protein for the growth of the cell. ये प्रोटीन क्रिएट करता है जो सारे ग्रोथ चाहिए, मतलब जिससे ग्रोथ मिल सके सेल को, वो वाला प्रोटीन क्रिएट कौन करता है? राइबोसोम. द नेक्स्ट LER, it helps ribosome to make protein and transport these protein to the Golgi apparatus. Okay, then the next thing is lysosome. These are lysosome. These called the digestive part of the cell organelle, because it digests all the necessary nutrients. Okay, this is an vacuole. It called the storehouse of the cell, because it store all the necessary things. Okay, there's the cell membrane. It is called the guard of the cell, because it only allow necessary thing to enter and remove all toxic substance from the cell. Okay, this clear? Mitochondria. What is mitochondria? This is the mitochondria. What is the role of the mitochondria? It gives energy to the cell to perform all the activity. Okay, then the another thing is cell wall, which is only present in the plant cell. It gives support and stand to the cell. And this is chloroplast. It called the kitchen of the cell. and all the functions of making food photosynthesis occur in this chloroplast. Okay, and the next day we discuss how the cell theory discovered and who discovered the cell theory. Okay, and any doubt ask me in the next lecture. Thank you.